Welcome back to my morning report. Charter Prices on Friday, the 4th of March, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Tantec Markets. Let's look at cable now, and I discussed this minor rally that we had on cable. We've actually driven 4 days higher now, and 2 of those days, last 2 consecutive days, have been bullish, strong candles. And we're seeing the sort of momentum indicators picking up. I still think this is corrective within this sort of downtrend phase that we've had since December. And I was talking yesterday about this sort of next sort of area of resistance between 41.50 and 42.30. 42.30 being that reaction low that we saw, 42.33, the reaction low there. So you're sort of now into this sort of band of resistance. Not only that, you've got the 21-day moving average, which is falling as well, and that has been a reasonable basis in the last few weeks of support and resistance. So that could also be adding to a bit of a reason why I think you're now looking on the lookout for the next sell signal. You're sort of down 35 ticks on the day already, so you've sort of started to sort of top out a little bit, arguably. Now let's look at the hourly chart and see what's that's showing. You're seeing a pretty decent recovery actually, with higher lows and higher highs. You've also sort of broken out above 43 as well. Now, let's just do a quick and dirty analysis of that base pattern, which is around about 38.50. So taking that as sort of about 190, 200 ticks of depth of the base pattern projected higher gives you around about 42.30. So interestingly enough, that is that resistance, isn't it, from that old low. So that minor sort of reversal that you could see there takes you back towards that resistance line there. So that again sort of suggests that that's where we're coming back to potentially, and again where I think we could be beginning to fall over. Because basically also you'd argue that bear market rallies tend to undershoot their upside targets as well. So you sort of are into the realms of where you're looking for this this rally to sort of end really, between 42, arguably yesterday's high, 41.95, and towards 42 sort of 30 area. So you're sort of almost already looking for the next sell signal, aren't you? And you got payrolls today. That could a strong number could, or strong report generally, could help to drive a stronger dollar again. So that could again be the signal that the market is looking for. So my general feeling that rallies are a chance to sell on cable could well be coming through to fruition if we get a strong payrolls report today, and that would give the the sellers a chance to go short again. So that would be interesting. But obviously payrolls report creates a lot of volatility, so we need to be careful about that. But certainly in front of this payrolls report, I'd be still looking out for the next sell signal, and looking for a chance to go short again, because I think cable ultimately will be going lower, or to retest supports anyway. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later, I think.